What's up, YouTube? It's Two Minds One Goal. About to show you how you can make $10,000 with just 2,000 followers. Let's get it. You've probably seen content like this blow up on Instagram. I'm about to show you how you can actually make it for yourself and start actually making money. Because as you know, the It's Two Minds One Goal Instagram account, 7,000 to 8,000 followers thereabout. I've actually made a whopping $20,000 this month of January. 20,000 plus this month of January. I'm about to show you how you can do that too as well. It doesn't matter if you have 2,000 followers, you can do it. The people out there who are making upwards of 50 bands with their coaching, mentorship, and all those other programs that they offer off of a 900 follower Instagram account. Yeah, we showed you guys the proof. It's about to show you guys how you can actually do it. And this is going to be totally free. You know how we do it. It's car talks. We're keeping it real with you guys. You need to do, obviously, you need to have an Instagram account. You also need to have a digital product you can sell, because the goal is not to wait for Instagram to start giving us those checks. We want to start printing those monies by ourselves, and the only way you can do that is to have a digital offer or a digital product that you can sell to your audience. Now, before you start running around and feel like, oh, this is not for me, I want you to know that the digital products that you're going to be selling could be anything that you already know how to do. All you're doing is putting it in pen and paper, or well, you're putting it into text online, and you're going to sell that to your fans. And even if you don't know what to sell, it's Two Minds One Goal. With our playbook guide that you can get, you can actually start having all these things set up for you, so you do not need to bother about creating your own digital products. You already have the digital product that are already ready to be sold, and we already show you how you can actually sell it and grow your Instagram fast. But anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's actually get started on how you can actually do this. First things first, you need to know how you can actually make your Instagram posts go viral. Now, going viral doesn't mean you need to get like 1 million views, but you need to be able to get a couple thousand views here and there. And from that, you can definitely still see people who will follow you. If you can do that consistently for about a week, you're on your way to having at least 2,000 followers. And once you have 2,000 followers, now let's start making that money. So what you want to do the moment immediately you started posting content, you need to make sure that you've set up your ManChat account. Now, your ManChat account is to help you convert your followers, your viewers, all of them into leads and into customers. The way you do this, so it's automated and you don't have to touch anything at all. You literally just go into your settings, go into your ManChat account, create it, and then put a prompt. All right, you're going to put a prompt in your ManChat to be able to have a specific response. And I'm going to share the template down below on Instagram. Just give us a message on Instagram. I'm going to share the template for the ManChat. So and it's going to be free. Don't worry, I won't charge you for that. So from the ManChat account, you're going to set up the template and you're going to put in your own specific link to your product. Now, where are you going to create your product, or where you're going to host your product? You either use 3 platforms, depending on what you want. You could either use Stan, you could either use Steam, or you could use Car.co. We personally use Steam. A lot of people, if you want more options, I believe Steam is better. But if you want simplicity and you don't want to complicate things, what's the name again? Stan is the best for that front. So you've done all these 3 things and you've set up ManChat. Every single person that is going to watch your video and is going to follow you, they're going to see a prompt. Now, the prompt is going to come at the end of your video. So whatever it is, you can just give them whatever advice at the beginning of the video and tell them to comment ready, wealth, or info. You see it in our Instagram account, it has that. So it's going to automatically send that to them. It's going to send whatever it is you want them to see, and then they go over to your website and then they make a purchase. It's that simple. So you automatically turn Instagram into a wealth creation funnel for yourself. And now the moment you start doing that, you are able to start actually making money from Instagram. Now, there's a whole lot of nitty-gritties that still need to go in place, but the information that we just gave you, you're actually on your way to actually start having a good followership and audience. Now, the big question is this: how can you do this if you're a shy person? Don't worry, we've got you. You don't actually need to post yourself. You don't actually need to create content, use your iPhone or your phone to record videos of yourself. You can easily have curated videos already done for you. This is why the course and the playbook comes in place. Now, with the course, you actually do have curated videos that have gone viral for me and Daniel. There are faceless accounts like this that me and Daniel have helped go viral. you guys too can as well have access to these types of content. Now, there are also AI products. There are also AIs that you can use to actually help you repurpose content, and content that have already gone viral. You can basically recreate them and basically repost them and get the same amounts of re-engagement, and just rinse and repeat it until you can keep on doing it till forever, basically. Now, these are the ways you can do it if you do not want to show your face online. Now, there are also ways you can do it with YouTube. You can do this with Twitter. You can do this with Instagram. You can do this with TikTok. You can do this as many times as possible. Now, with this, the whole goal of this is for you to be able to have your own audience that you can sell to, no matter what amount of followers that you have. You don't have to wait till you're with the YouTube promotion. Our YouTube channel is on 60 subscribers. And I can tell you that there's so many accounts that have over thousands, tens of thousands of subscribers. They don't make the amount of money that we do. It's simple, basic mathematics, bro. If people find what you're talking about interesting, they would want to align themselves, whatever it is that you have to offer them. And if you do not know what to talk about, if you do not have anything interesting, we basically make it easy for you. It's as simple as that. Once you have every single thing automated, it becomes so easy to start printing money that it's basically like passive income, basically. And that's what the AI tools are all about. That's why we, if you watch our first videos, we talked about how, we set up a bunch of automations, both with labor and both with tech. So we have employees from third world countries and stuff like that. You guys can also get into that if you want to, but that's for the later stages once you start doing multiple 5 figures every single month. But for the basics, if you're doing a couple grand every month, or you're still making a couple hundreds, you don't really need labor or too much automations. But everything that we've told you is everything that we've done to be able to make this type of money every single month. Even a couple days, you can actually rack yourself up 4 figures. It's very possible, guys. It's very possible. And do not let anything limit you. Do not let your age limit you. We have students who are making this at the age of 16. Go and check our last video. Even on our Instagram live on It's 2 Minds 1 Goal, we had an Instagram live with this kid. This kid is doing 5K every single month now. It's crazy, and it's insane for you not to be a part of this.
Make sure do not let anything like make you feel like you can't do this. If you're it's the country, whether you're from India, you're in some part of Africa, some part of Asia, some part of Europe, some part of North or South America, anywhere on the continent, freaking Antarctica, it doesn't matter, you can do it.
As long as you got a phone and you freaking have internet. I know some of you guys don't got internet in those countries you just said.
But if you're watching this video, you have the internet.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
as far as you have the internet, you can do this.
You can. It's all a matter of implementing the right strategies into what you're doing. And once you can implement those strategies, you actually follow through every single one of the things that we actually tell you to. Everything we said in this video with consistency, you can definitely start doing it. Like, think of it. How long did you work at your job? The job that you have, the job that's been feeding you, is probably for years, right? If you can dedicate yourself to this for a couple months, you're actually guaranteed to make at least 4 figures, at least 4 figures.
If you can just say that this year, I'm going to dedicate 5, 6, maybe 4 months to doing this digital marketing for digital products thing, I guarantee you, and you do every single thing that you're meant to do, from watching all the videos to actually communicating with us for your struggles, and actually getting mentorships, courses, playbooks that could actually guide you step by step. If you actually do every single thing and everything possible in those things, there is no way for the course of 365 days, success at some point will meet you.
And that's facts. So basically, guys, if you have any more questions, drop it in the comment sections. We always watch in the comment sections. We look at every single comment that comes our way. A bunch of you guys have asked us some questions on Instagram. Keep them coming. We do respond to them as fast as we can. And if you're interested in joining the course, basically every single thing that we talked about today, how you can start making money, we just click the link down below. It will take you to the course and you can get the course. Right now, if you can join before the month of January ends, January ends in like 5 days, right? So if you can join before the month of January ends, we have the course on a payment plan. So the course is about $500 thereabout, right?
Yeah, $497.
Yeah, so it's gonna be, you can spread out the payment plan for how many weeks?
The course goes for 12 weeks.
12 weeks. So you can spread out $497 payments for 12 weeks. That's over 2 months.
Yeah, $43. You can start off knowing everything with just $43.
Yeah. So you guys, I think we are more than generous to be able to be doing that. So you're going to be basically paying $41 every week for the next 12 weeks, and for a course that has basically touches on everything you need to do to get started, and it's almost done for you. You don't have to rack your brain on what captions and all that stuff. It's pretty much done for you. So,
and because we're also very nice gentlemen who are of the tanned skin color, we also added another layer for those of you who still, maybe 497 on the stretch of 12 weeks is still too much.
Yeah.
We also have the Playbook guide that also helps you. It's more or less a PDF plus a little video version, just a little bit of the main course. All right, so it's gonna give you a lot of the key factors minus a lot of access from the course, so you get a lot of value and you're able to start immediately with this. Now this is more or less like the Toyota of a Lexus, if you get what I mean. So that's what it is. So you have the course, which is 497, and then you also have this playbook that's $43. Now $47. So it's just $47, and even if it's that cheap, we also have a payment plan for that. So if you want to get it, link in the description. It's there for you guys to go lock in.
So if you guys want to communicate with us, you can check us out on Instagram. That's two minds one goal.
Double L at the end.
Double L at the end, like he said. So yeah, if you guys have any more questions, hit us up in the comment sections, hit us up in the DMs, and we're out.
Peace.